are usually done to gain happiness along with earning an income. Rulers, feudal lords, and people from royal families gained a lot of pleasure from various arts, literatures, paintings, music, dance, and architecture. Please all. नहीं इसका मतलब क्या है कि प्लीज और लिखा है
Pleasure from various arts. What you are saying? Pleased all.
मैम ये प्लीज
What you are
क्या
saying?
लिखा है
Sorry, can you repeat the whole statement, beta? Please all, literature, painting, music, dance, and architecture. Please all means it is good to see. It is like thankful for when you see when you read any literature, when you see any painting, it is pleasing to your eyes. Means it is very cool, and you like that thing. That is pleasing. Understood? So such architecture monuments are also pleasing to all. They all are, very cool. We like to see at a glance all these things. That is pleased to all. Okay. It facilitates us the pleasure, right? That is the please to all. Okay, Sahil? Can you listen me better?
yes
Hello? Yes. Continue, Sahil.
yes
Hello? Am I audible, boys?
yes
Yes, yes,
ma'am
you're audible. Huh?
yes ma'am
Yes. So financially sound people constructed different structures to achieve fame, for containment, or for the welfare of the
ma'am I
society. For
really
faith, yes, so that others could utilize them and see pleasure. Yes. Sanraj, continue.
All activities included
You can read
medieval
from the first.
architecture. Where
Yes, Sanraj. Sanraj.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am
read
I
beta.
read
Ma'am, first line say
Yes, you can read from the first line also.
all activities of a man are usually done to gain happiness, all along with earning an
Along.
income. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, rulers.
Earning an income, rulers, feudal lords, and people from royal families gained a lot of pleasure
Families.
from various arts, literature, painting, music,
Literature.
literature,
Literature.
painting, literature, painting,
all activities of a man
music, dance, and architecture. Please all. Financially sound people constantly different structures to achieve fame,
For for containment.
contentment for the welfare of the society, for faith, so that others cloud
Others could call out Nick. Could.
utilize them and seek pleasure. Most of the structures constructed possessed specific characteristic of that partic- particular
Particular.
era.
Hmm.
They come
They
explain
become. They
they
became.
become they became exemplary works of arts. Hence, they no they no longer remained private, but became public properties. Thus, the style the style in the style in which a building is designed and constructed, especially with regard to a specific period, place, or culture, is known as architecture.
Yes, is known as architecture. This is what we discussed, right? Now, Gujarat too has and saw many such architectural splendor being constructed during varied era. Right now, we are going to see such constructions. Okay, medieval architecture of India. The first one we are going to see about Somnath Temple. Yes, so Somnath temple. Where is Somnath temple located? Anyone has any idea? Any idea about Somnath temple?
Prabhas Patan.
Yes, every one of us has visited Gir and these places, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it is somewhat near to Junagadh. Okay, Veraval in
Yes, ma'am.
Junagadh. Okay. Yes. Can you read better, Sahil?
Yes. Somnath Temple. The Somnath Temple is located in Prabhas Patan near Veraval in Saurashtra on the western coast of Gujarat. It is one of the 12 Jyotirling shrines of Lord Shiva. It was one of the most ancient, prosperous, and important pilgrimage center of Shivaism, center of Shivaism. Currently,
Saivism. Saivism.
Shaivism. Currently, only the site of the old temple is seen. The construction of the new temple was completed by 1951.
Yes. So the construction of new temple was completed by 1951. Yesterday only I discussed with you this topic also. That where is Somnath temple located in Prabhaspata near Veraval in Junagadh. Okay. Saurashtra on the western coast of Gujarat. It is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines of Lord Shiva. It was one of the most ancient and prosperous and an important pilgrimage center of Shaivism. Shaivism means जो शिव भगवान को मानते हैं ना उसे शैविज्म कहते हैं. पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर्स मीन्स जो वहाँ पूजा अर्चना करने जाते हैं तो उसे मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया था दैट इज नोन एज पिलग्रिमेज सेंटर्स. Currently on the
Yes,
side of currently on the side of the old temple is seen, and the new construction of the new construction of the new temple was completed in which year, beta? In 1951, right? This is the picture of Somnath temple.
1951. Yes.
New, are baapre. What is this? Who is sneezing?
Sahil.
No problem. It's natural.
No, ma'am, मैंने sneeze किया.
No problem,
तो
beta.
झूठ बोल रहा है संजय, झूठ बोल रहा है.
No problem, Sahil. I said it's natural even if you're
चलेगा
done
बेटा.
or not done. It's natural, okay? Anyone, it can come to anyone, right? Yes. Can you see the Somnath temple picture?
Yes.
This is but new building, huh? New building which was constructed in 1951, okay? Yes. Now we are going to see the next is Dwarkadish temple. Which one we are going to see?
द्वारका
Dwarkadish temple, okay? We'll learn about Dwarkadish temple. Yes, one of you was asking for reading permission, but I guess that was a new boy. Who was it? Who was asking for permission
किसकी मैम?
to read? Someone was asking, I guess.
Ali Raja. Ali Raja.
Yes, Ali Raza is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you listen me, beta?
Yes.
Okay. So, will you read Dwarkadish temple?
Yes. Dwarkadish temple. Dwarka is situated in Jamnagar district near the coast of Gujarat on the northern banks of river
Gomti.
Gomati. Constru- Gomti. Constructed in 13th century, the temple became part of Char Dham Hari Dham pilgrimage
Pilgrimage.
considered sacred by Hindus in India. It consists of
Sacred.
the four-armed deity of Lord Krishna within
Within
the
Garbhagriha.
Garbhagriha inner sanctum. Inner sanctum.
Inner
centum
sanctum
and
and a
inner
Mahamandapa
centum and a
Mandapa.
Mahamandapa, big prayer hall. One has to climb 80 steps to attain entry into this temple. Its Sikar rises to 6 stories. The
Shikarini, Shikhar.
mandapa is a
Shikhar.
five-storied construct built on 60 pillars. Pillars.
Pillars.
Pillars. The temple has rich carving on
Carvings.
its outer walls, but the
Interiors.
interiors are relatively plain. There is a matha of Srimand
Shankaracharya.
Shankaracharya, Shankaracharya near the temple. Adi Shankaracharya, the 8th century reformed and philosopher, had set up
Mathas.
mathas in all corners of India, and the Dwarkadish temple is one of Sardbit set
Sardapit.
up by him.
Yes, very good. Chalo. So Dwarkadish temple, okay, where it is in Jamnagar district, okay, near the coast of Gujarat, on the banks of river Gomti, okay, which is again constructed in 13th century, okay. Is it clear? And it is considered, it has become a part of Char Dham Yatra, Haridham pilgrimage, which Hindus they do once in their lifetime, Char Dham Yatra, right? तो उसमें से एक ये धाम मतलब द प्लेस ओके इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ फोर आर्म डाइटी ऑफ लॉर्ड कृष्णा विद इन द गर्भगृह मतलब के अंदर का जो होता है इनर सैंक्टम उसे बोलते हैं अंदर में जिसमें भगवान की मूर्ति होती है उसे गर्भगृह बोलते हैं ओके एंड महामंडपा मीन्स क्या होता है एक बड़ा सा प्रेयर हॉल हो ओके एंड वन हैज टू क्लाइंब 80 स्टेप्स टू अटेन एंट्री इनटू दिस टेम्पल में एंट्री करने के लिए 60 स्टेप्स क्लाइम करनी होती है ओके एंड इट शिखर राइजेस टू 6 stories. How many stories does it rise? 6 stories, okay. And the mandapa is a 5-story structure built on 60 pillars. Imagine so many pillars, right? And the temple has rich carvings on its outer walls, but the interiors are relatively plain. Okay, बाहर की जो walls है उसमें अच्छी सी carvings है, rich carvings, but inner walls are relatively plain. Okay, and there is a matha of Srimad Shankaracharya near the temple. Adi Shankaracharya, the 8th century reformer and philosopher, had set up mathas in the four corners of India, and the Dwarkadish temple is one of the Sharda pit set up by him. Okay, so all this is about Dwarkadish temple. Can you see the Dwarkadish temple picture on the screen? Can you see better? शिखर मतलब ये जिसपे ये ध्वज है ना उसे शिखर बोलते हैं ओके दिस इज 6 stories 6 stories मतलब you our building is 5 storied right our classes are on 4th floor 5th floor right तो ऐसे stories तो it is how many storied 6 storied शिखर ऊंचा है मंदिर का द्वारकाधीश टेम्पल का and 60 pillars are there how many pillars are there on which it is constructed 60 pillars and one is to climb 80 steps. How many steps one is to climb, Sahil? How many steps one is to climb? I want answers from you people.
80.
Yes, 80 steps. And the shikhar is how many story high?
6.
6 story high,
60.
yes.
6.
No, 60 pillars. Okay, we discussed about 60 pillars, right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
Yes, okay. And where is it located, Dwarkadish temple? In which district?
Yes.
Which district? Boys, in which district?
Patan. Patan.
Yeah. Yes. No, not Patan. No.
Prabha Patan.
Yes. प्रभास पाटन नहीं, प्रभास पाटन के पास तो सोमनाथ टेम्पल है। वेरावल प्रभास पाटन इन जूनागढ़। चलो, who will say? Jamnagar district, okay?
What?
Dwarkadish temple is where situated? In the Jamnagar district.
Jamnagar.
Yes, near the coast of Gujarat, okay? Clear, everyone?
Clear,
Clear.
ma'am.
Yes, okay. So we'll end up our class here
Yes.
today, okay? Bye, all of you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Have a nice
Bye.
day.
Mm, Never.
Hello.